Fuck. What more are you going to do to it? You can't do anything more to it, eh? It's just too good, eh?
Just keep putting fuel in it.
Just fuel in it, eh? Fucking an oil, but oil.
I loved it. Yeah, you must have there. Yeah, she had full house.
Oh man, 20 BPP, Green Brothers on, eh? We've been banging Robbie's on the motorway the other day. Oh, he just loves driving today, and it's just so awesome, bro. Like, fuck. That's fucking tough. Oh, fuck.
It's good on the job, isn't it?
It's okay.
Yeah. That's good. The consoles are good.
Yeah.
And that's like the film job or the job.
Fuck yeah. This is the car that made me love rotaries. It's the RX2 Series 2. That's it, too. Yeah, Series 2. The round tails are the bad RX2 it was called. But this is fucking way steps ahead of that. So mean.
It doesn't look that good inside. Yeah. We went through the videos like,
It's hard to tell from when you're doing it. So when you
Fuck. That's a fucking great feat, eh? Fuck. Fucking hell, man. I don't know what to say, I'm just fucking speechless, bro. It's so bad, bro. It's just such a nice car. Oh no, it should be sweet, bro. Fucking, I'm gonna get it right one day out here.
yeah. The track will be more fun.
Yeah, bro. Yep, definitely. Oh, fuck. He's got a deer in his front yard at the Rainies. Look how fat that is. Big buck. So we are in Taupo. We've just seen the Boss RX2.
The boss.
Thank you, Renee. And now we are waiting for the EX Lancer to turn up, and then we're gonna head towards the Bay of Plenty. Bay of Plenty. I'm trying to get a hold of Levi, see what he's up to. And if not, I'll be coming to Whakatane, I suppose, first. We'll do Tauranga tomorrow. Hit me up if there's anybody that we can see along the way. Wouldn't mind knowing where this Kuniari is. But we'll see what happens with it. So what we're doing today. Boss RX, badass.
Water-based. Their tyres. Yeah, they're not even pumped up. No, it's fucking whining, you know.
Fucking sick.
Say hi, Charlie.
Hi, Charlie.
Hey, bro.
Give him the hand signal.
Shaka, bro.
Hey, Taupo Bridgie.
Yeah, it's still running at niki, eh?
That's fucking awesome.
Not too many of them running
Nah,
anymore.
that's awesome. That's fucking awesome. as
Keep it
fuck.
old school, eh, bro?
But it's bad, and they probably still go hard on the Niki. Like, yeah, nah, sick.
Yours start alright?
Yeah, fuck yeah. It's been in the shed since I got the turf run.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, fuck, looks good in here, ain't it?
I'm on my way, that's I've got to go gas up. Don't even think I'll make it down there.
Oh, tell us about it. Oh, it's just a 12-way bridge.
Obviously, I'll chuck these on.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fucking tough, it's tight.
Check out the belt buckle, bro, on the battery holder. Real belt buckle.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Oh, yeah, yeah. The old school fucking skate belts.
Belt buckle.
Fucking sweet. My favourite
Zeddies.
stroller wagon. Reese's front, flip on the back, Zeddies. Oh, running fucking the Niki. Yeah, boy.
Hey,
Fucking sick.
say hi, Charlie. Hey, bro. Give him the hand signal.
Mean. 12-8 Bridgie.
Yeah, it's still running the niki, eh?
That's fucking awesome, bro.
Not too many of them running.
Nah, that's awesome. That's fucking awesome as fuck.
Old school, eh, bro?
Bro, that's bad. And they still go hard on the niki. Like, yeah, nah, sick. Oh, fuck, it looks good in here, eh? It's fucking tidy as fuck. Oh, tell us about it. Give us a...
It's just a 12-way bridge.
Yep.
Reese's front, niki full barrel on it.
Yep. It's got the bigger brakes on the front, nah, 3-3 brakes on the front, 3-3 drum on the back. Oh, yeah. Sweet. Warranted, registered.
No, we do it on hold.
No,
Flies through wolf, so
perfect.
flies through wolf.
It's a good looking wagon, purple wagon, bro. Fucking sweet.
Yeah, it's pretty gangster, right?
They 15 to 16 inch wheels. Oh, yeah. Bro, I just got some tyres. I got the. What did you get?
I got it off at Taupo.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Yeah, the guy built it.
Yeah.
It was all plyboard on the back.
Oh, yeah.
I got all those seats reupholstered, same as the front.
Yeah. No, the seats are fucking beautiful. It looks beautiful inside. It's fucking mad. These are classic Kiwi cars, bro. They're like. This.
Finding you use my hair because I heard James go past home.
Oh, yeah. Like fucking who hasn't wanted to have a fucking purple fucking 3-3 wagon, bro? Like recent, you know, the lip on the back,
It's purple and then different lights. It's blue.
Bluish.
And lights, it's black.
Yeah. And I reckon this front's the best front myself. I like it. Front's the best. Yeah, bro. I reckon it's way better than the Buggers and that.
What have you got?
My by the way.
Yeah, what have you got?
What do you got?
It's got the ends and
RX2.
yeah.
Oh, an RX2. That's my dream Rotary. An RX2. Beat mechanical secondaries, can you? That was the buzz, eh? Like the band. Release dudes, yeah. You forget how predominant that they are when they look on these small barrels, like the band.
Really responsive too.
Yep. Bridgie, this is like the classic fucking Brotary conversion, eh? Like, you'd be the man if you're fucking 17 with on these back in the day. You're fucking the man, eh?
15 years ago.
Yeah, 15 years ago, yeah, bro. Fucking hell, this must be your first car, bro. You're the bomb. Cruising around the streets, heading towards Mount Momonui, fucking yeah, bro. Oh, it sounds like a tight motor, but it sounds fucking mean. Fuck yeah, dude. Mean. Shot, bro. Fucking wicked. That just reminds me of the old days, bro. Fucking wicked.